Welcome to the video introduction of ComplexCore. This 4-minute video will show you all the basics you need to know for working with this software. ComplexCore is an application that allows you to easily create and manage training plans for your clients. You can choose from over 440 unique exercises, which are all categorized so that you can easily select the best exercises for your particular client. Here you see the main application window. On the top you see the filter bar. There you can choose what exercises you want to be displayed in the central part of the window. You can do this by choosing one of the 3 main categories: core mobility, local core stability, and global core stability. If you have chosen a category, you can further particularize your query with the buttons below. In the case of core mobility, the buttons allow you to select different movement directions, the spinal areas, and the initial position of the exercises. Highlighted buttons mean that the respective category is enabled. Clicking on a button will disable it, and exercises in that class will not be shown anymore. So, for example, if you want to only show exercises with a dorsal initial position, you simply deactivate all the other buttons. As you can see, the only exercises left in the central area all fit into this category. For the global core stability exercises, the program allows you to select the muscle groups, the difficulty, whether or not you want to use additional equipment like free weights, the muscle activation, and again the initial position of the exercises. Notice that when you hover your mouse over a button, an explanation will pop up, so you don't need to remember what each button stands for. When you want to create a training plan for a new client, you first need to enter his name in the client box on the left and click Add. You can now browse through the exercise database. To look at the details of a particular exercise, simply click on this button. You can also watch a video of the exercise being performed by clicking the play button. When you have found a suitable exercise for your client, simply click the plus button to add this exercise to your selection. A new bar will appear at the bottom showing you your currently selected exercises. You can now add a few more exercises. Once you're done, simply click the New button to create the training plan. As you can see, the training plan is automatically saved and visible in the box on the left. On this new screen, you can now enter some more details for this training plan. You can give it a name so you can easily remember it, and also write some personal notes regarding this plan. Further below, you can define some additional information that will be printed on the training plan. You can define the methodology for each category, like the intensity, duration, the number of sets, the recovery time, and the frequency of the training. Below that, you see all exercises in the order you have selected them. You can choose to sort them by clicking one of these 2 buttons, or you can manually order them by simply dragging them around in the box. You can then add a comment to each exercise by typing it in the text box. When you're done, click the Print Preview button on the top right to see the final result. If you are satisfied, you can print the document or save it in a format that you can email to your client. When you're done, simply close the application. All changes will be saved automatically. This was the introduction to ComplexCore. If you have any further questions, visit our homepage at www.complexcore.at or write us an email to info@complexcore.at.